product manager here at Cisco. So everyone, let's welcome Dan.
Thank you, Shannon. All right, big crowd at Cisco booth and Etherstack as well. All right, I'm Dan O'Malley, the product manager for IPICS. We're going to show some radio interoperability. We're holding a digital radio. It's using a fixed station interface, a digital fixed station interface, which means IP packets directly into the base station. So when I push my button, I'm encoding P25 audio, comes into the base station, and it goes all the way to the console. So we're showing end-to-end encrypted audio, digital audio, pushing buttons, and it comes through the air, into the base station, into the infrastructure equipment, and all the way to the console. Again, let's come over here, Lindsay. We'll show the call. One of the benefits you get with using digital is you have talker ID. So when I'm talking into the radio here, you can see the ID of the radio is coming up on the console. You can also see when the channels are active, you get a green blinking indication that there's activities on the channels. The other nice thing that we're showing in the booth is everyone wants to bring their own device. So this is an Android phone. When you push your button on your Android phone, you're actually talking on a radio system. P25 audio from an Android over a carrier network, communicating with the radio. So again, interoperability, Internet of Everything. Once you get packets, you patch them together and you send them to the people in the group. So it's really about collaboration, digital collaboration, many IP standards. If you have an existing P25 system, a trunking system, there's open standards called ISSI. So we can connect through an ISSI standard into the system. If you have a conventional P25 network, there's a standard called Digital Fixed Station Interface. So we can use the DFSI interface on the conventional systems. And let's see, this is a trunking radio, is that correct? When I push my button here, you can see the talker IDs coming across on the P25 talk groups. Some of the new features of our console, it's called the IPICS Dispatch Console. We have tearaway. So when you want to tear away parts of your screens, oops, I'm sorry, come on in. When you want to tear away parts of your screen, you just hit this little tearaway icon, and now you can float different workspaces. And if you have multiple monitors, you can have many, many pages. The other cool thing we're showing today is a touchscreen turret. So customers who have a lot of phone calls that come in, like customer service, and they also want to talk on the radio, it's a single pane of glass, very easy. You just touch it, you hold your finger over the icons for the channel, and you transmit. So you can have call queues, you can have inbound radio calls, you can have inbound telephone calls, and you can have multiple touchscreen turrets so that you can share the workload. You prioritize the workload, so you can have priority call queue or just normal calls. So it's a very nice way to organize your work. The other thing, we have our push to talk from a Cisco VoIP phone. So some people need very inexpensive IP endpoints, like at fire stations or anywhere you have a voice telephony. You log into your talk group, you hold down the push to talk button, and now you're talking on the channels. So again, this is standard VoIP audio. We convert it in our gateways over to the P25 world. So we transcode the audio into IMBE. So we work with the 12.5 as well as the 6.25 audio streams. And that's what we're showing in the booth. Thank you.